Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super important for all of you who work in tough environments, steel toe work boots. Whether you're working on a construction site or in a factory, safety and comfort are key. Safety and comfort are key. So, I'm reviewing the 4 best steel toe work boots in Australia right now. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Caterpillar men's second shift steel toe work boots, a classic choice for durability and protection. These boots are built with 6-inch leather shafts and a synthetic sole, giving you rugged durability and a comfortable fit. They're slip resistant and offer electrical hazard protection, which is great if you're working in high-risk environments. The lace-up closure ensures a snug fit. And of course, the steel toe adds the essential layer of protection for your feet. These boots are all about safety and comfort. If you need a tough pair of boots, Caterpillar's got your back. Next, we have something a little more versatile. The LIWEGHT safety shoes, perfect for both men and women. These shoes are packed with features that make them ideal for long hours on the job. With a memory foam insole, your feet will feel supported all day long. These shoes also come with a Kevlar puncture-proof midsole, giving you maximum protection from any sharp objects, like nails or debris. Not only do they have a European standard steel toe cap for protection, but they're also lightweight and designed with anti-fatigue technology, making them perfect for anyone who's on their feet for hours. Now, if you're looking for heavy-duty boots with a premium feel, check out the SUREWAY 6-inch men's heavy-duty steel toe boots. These boots feature full-grain leather that only gets better with time. They're designed for ultimate comfort, with a padded tongue, soft leather collar, and shock-absorbing system. Plus, the dual-density sole combines rubber and PU, offering both durability and excellent cushioning for long work days. Plus, they come with a 6-month guarantee, so you know SUREWAY stands by their quality. These boots are built to last and keep you comfortable no matter what. Transition sound. And finally, we have the Rona safety boots, known for being incredibly lightweight and comfortable. But don't let the weight fool you. These boots still provide top-notch protection. They've got a steel toe for protection and a Kevlar puncture-proof midsole to keep your feet safe from sharp objects. And with their slip-resistant and oil-resistant outsole, these boots are perfect for slippery environments. Lightweight, durable, and packed with safety features, the Rona safety boots are a solid choice for any hard worker. Transition sound. So there you have it. 4 of the best steel toe work boots in Australia, each offering something a little different, but all designed to keep your feet protected and comfortable during long work days. Which one is your favourite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and click the notification bell for updates on the latest work gear reviews. Check the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.